Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will discuss unit 5 that is about factorization. We will discuss the first 5 types of factorization, exercise 5.1. Okay, the very first type of factorization, as you know, that is to take out a common element that may be a variable or maybe a coefficient. So we are given question number 2 in exercise 5.1 is that is 10a square b cube c4 minus 15a cube b square c square and 30a4 b cube c square. Here first we will check the coefficients of this expression, whether they are divisible by the same table or not. So they all are divisible by 5. Then we will check the variables. So always we will take the least power of variable as a common factor. Here we will check this expression that the common factors of this expression, that is first of all 5 2's are 10, 5 3's are 15 and 5 6 are 30. Then the least power of variable a square, a cube, a4, so the least power is a square. Then b cube, b square, b cube, b square is the least power. Similarly in c4, c square and c square is the least power. So taking 5a square, b square, c square as common factor, we will have 5a square, b square, c square into 2bc square minus 3a plus 6a square b. The second type, as we discussed in our lecture, is about grouping the terms. So we will arrange in this question. We are given 4 terms. In this expression we are given 4 terms, so we will regroup them. To take out the common element. So they are already grouped. So in first group a is common, and for second group we will take the third sign common, whether it is positive or negative, and after taking out it as common, we will multiply it by the fourth term sign. So by taking a common from here, a ones are a, we will left only with x minus sign as it is, and a ones are a again, so we are here with x minus 1. Then in this second group we will take out the third sign, that is minus, and nothing is common here, so definitely 1 is common here. So taking out minus 1 as common factor, we will have x minus 1 again. X minus 1 and x minus 1 are common to both, so will be written for the one time, and a minus 1 will be collected in a bracket, a minus 1 will be written in a product form. Then type 3, that is about perfect square formula, perfect square trinomial, that may be a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here in the question we are given that 4 into x plus y whole square minus 20x plus yz plus 25z square. The recognition of this expression is the first and last term will be perfect squares. Here 4 into x plus y whole square is a perfect square, because 4 is the perfect square of 2, and x plus y is already a perfect square. So by using laws of exponent, 2 into x plus y whole square, we can write it in the form of this. Then the third term is 25z square. So we know that clearly 25 is the perfect square of 5, and z is a perfect square, so by applying laws of exponent it will become 5z whole square. Now we will open the question according to the formula, that is check the middle sign, that is minus, so definitely it will be a perfect square formula of minus. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. But here we have discussed how we will take a and b. Our a is 2 into x plus y whole square, and b is 5z whole square. So into minus 2 into ab will be minus 2 into x plus y into 5z. Now using formula a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, as we are given open form, so here we will close the formula, that is 2 into x plus y minus 5z whole square. After closing the formula, we will multiply this 2 inside the bracket, we will get 2x plus 2y minus 5z whole square. And now in the last step we will write it for the 2 times 2x plus 2y minus 5z and 2x plus 2y minus 5z. As here power is 2, so 1 and 1 2, because bases are same, so powers added. Now the third type we will discuss here, that is we are given a question about third type, that is 2x square minus 288. Here we will discuss the type 3, that is a square minus b square form. X is a perfect square, but its coefficient is not a perfect square, and definitely 288 is not also a perfect square. So we will take out a common factor, that is 2, because 288 is divisible by 2. So taking 2 as common factor, we will have 2 into x square minus 144, and clearly 144 is the perfect square of 12, and x is already a perfect square, so x square minus 12 square. Using formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Here we have a closed form of formula, so we will open it according to the general form. Here in the question we have a as x and b as 12, so a plus b mean x plus 12 and a minus b mean x minus 12. Now the other type is 25a square b square minus 20a bc plus 4c square minus 16d square, that is type 5. Here two formulas are used, one perfect square formula and the third one, a square minus b square, but the recognition of this type is that look at the expression. The first term is a perfect square, the last term is a the third term is also a perfect square, and fourth term is also a perfect square. So first we will solve these three terms, 25 to 4c. Here it may be a perfect square formula, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. How we will decide it? We will look at the second sign. We will look at the sign of second term. So that is minus, so definitely we will open it according to the formula. Here clearly 25 is the perfect square of 5, so 5ab whole square, and 4 is the perfect square of 2, so 2c whole square. Then minus 2ab minus 2 into 5ab into 2c, and minus 16d square as it is. Then using formula a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, we have open form of the formula, so we will close it according to its standard general form, that is a minus b whole square. Here we have 5ab as a and b as 2c, so 5ab minus 2c whole square. Now minus, as we know that 16 is the perfect square of 4 and d is already a perfect square, so it will become 4d whole square. Again using the second formula, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. Here we have a as 5ab minus 2c and b as 4d. So a plus b will be 5ab minus 2c plus 4d, and a minus b will be 5ab minus 2c minus 4d. Thank you.